Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana PM-BJP at PHC HC Bidang, Churchanpur, today the 10th March 2021, which is we are hosted by our Chief of PM-BJP is done by our Honorable Chief Guest Sri Ginson Hauzo, MLA 60 Singat SC Chairman Manirada, Manipur. And our program is being hosted by Sri Pawan Yadav IAS, Deputy Commissioner, Chairman, Churchanpur District. And Dr. Vumsin Pauton Singh, Chief Medical Officer, District Mission Director, District Health Society, Churchanpur. Which will be followed by speech from our guest of honors, then which will be again followed by chief host and a speech from our chief guest, distribution of memento and vote of thanks. He program upay ding dana hi. Dr. Steve M. Tungnung MO in charge, PHC Health and Wellness Center, Behyang, to give the welcome and keynote address.
Ginson Hau Zo, Honorable MLA 60 Singat and Chairman Manirada. Ahun bang chituin bichil lezong tunia ilawa hong pang thea objain amatunga kipa tu ka gen masa. Respected Sri Pawan Yadav IS, Chairman District Health Society, DC Churchanpur. Thank you very much, sir, coming here. And respected SDO Singat SDO Singat Sri James Hansing, respected ADC Pu Haikwa Maite, respected ex-MDC Pu Hauswantang Malun, respected Post Commander Major Ansul, respected E in charge PHCD Sri Zone Singson, respected ZDO Churchanpur Sri Chinghei Singh, all the dignitaries, all the invitees, all invitees from all the departments, invitees from the villagers, all the medical staff from Churchanpur and Singat block, all the ASAs, all the security officials, print and media. I, on behalf of Behyang PHC, welcome each and every one of you on this auspicious launching ceremony of PM-BJP for the first time in among the PHC in Manipur. Welcome everyone. Eham sang niyo, tunya kipa mamatsu, MLA na isunu Pu Ginson Hawin. Azong tagati adinga. Panasa kaalain, tunya bang situin hun bichil lezong. Ila hong pangte ipatu ka Ginson ahiya. Ama hile ba damte na lama. Damte na PNP bol diin. Doctor test, nurse test, staff test hicintang noy nang noa. Musiain ama guidance na le ama mapuy na ni tunia tomnaw kada PM-BJP ayading Behyang yung tay masahi si kagyan utiyen lang. And secondly, sir, I would like to thank our DC because without his support and guidance, today we wouldn't be able to launch PM-BJP. Sir used to push us, guide us, and his vision that he loved the poor to reach the Indo-Myanmar border, to reach the farthest area. His vision, because of his vision and guidance, within short time, 10 to 15 days, we are able to launch PM-BJP. Thank you very much, sir. And I like to thank our CM also, who is also always who is always supporting behind us, guiding us, helping us in every way. Thank you, sir. And today I want to say that Behyang PHC from today it become the first PM BJP, the first who had the facility in Manipur among the PHC. And not only the PM BJP, Bihyang PHC is the first to get the NQAS certified in whole Manipur. Even though it's a keynote address, I want to elaborate on how did we get NQAS, how did we, even though it's a Burma bordering village, how did we come till NQAS, how can, I want to just elaborate that. We, the doctors here, the nurse here, all the staff, our unity and hard work. Hard work means sometimes all the doctors become the cook, the doctors become the grade 4, the nurse become the grade 4. What we did here is that not only seeing patient, whatever necessary we did together. Our unity make us reach this far. So I would like to thank all the staff till the ASA for making us reaching till NQAS. Thank you all the staff. And we are doing our best in this Burma border village, even though it's a far place, even though no medical staff, no doctor want to be posted. We just abide by our noble profession, and we never, our aim is that not a single patient should be left unattended. That is our motto, and are doing our best. Thank you very much.